Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel with me, Gav the Fat Hairy Mountain Biker, and this is episode 3 of the FHMB tour bus van build. And in this episode we're going to be prepping Boxy. Right, so the first job is to get that bulkhead out. It looks pretty straightforward, just a bunch of M6s and then it looks like one rivet either side. So I'll put it in time lapse and see if I can get it off. Right, that's the bulkhead out. Pretty simple. So I guess next up we're going to have to take some measurements for timber and insulation, and then pull all this plyboard off and have a look what she's like underneath. So I'll crack on with that. There we go, that's all the timber out. Now we can see what we've got to deal with. I guess I'd better clean it up. Right, that's it guys. The back of the van is all stripped out and clean. Now luckily enough, I'm not able to find any rust, which is good. But next up I'm going to have to go over all these scratches everywhere with some black amorite. And there's quite a few screw holes in the floor which I'm going to have to fill and paint over. So that is the next stage. Get it all painted, then I'll order up some timber, some insulation, and get that done. But I think we'll do that in the next vid. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, smash the like button, even subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.